A deadly train crash that killed 280 people, injuring 1,000 others, may have been caused by a signalling fault, according to railway officials. It happened on Friday evening in the Odisha state when a passenger train collided with a stationary goods train after being wrongly directed off the main track. Officials say up to 12 carriages derailed, striking the rear 3 carriages of a second passenger train heading in the opposite direction. Rescuers worked throughout the night to free those still trapped inside, with the last survivors being pulled from the rubble on Saturday evening. It's the deadliest train crash the country has seen in 2 decades, coming just months after the government announced plans to modernise its huge railway network. Prime Minister Narendra Modi attended the crash site on Saturday and visited survivors in hospital. He vowed those responsible for the tragedy would be severely punished.
ये बहुत बड़ा दर्दनाक और वेदना से भी परे मन को विचलित करने वाला, वो तो वापस नहीं ले पाएंगे, लेकिन सरकार उनके दुख में, उनके परिजनों के दुख में उनके साथ है और जो भी दोषी पाया जाएगा उसको सख्त से सख्त सजा हो.
Almost 300 grieving families now face the devastating task of identifying their lost loved ones. And as the rescue operation comes to a close, it leaves a nation in mourning and in need of answers.